Today we will start with exercise 10, with chapter number 10, which is practical geometry. In that we will learn about exercise 10.1. Students, now we will continue with exercise 10.1, first one. The question is, draw a line, say AB. Take point C outside it. Through C, draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and compass only. So first of all, we will draw a line. This line will be AB. Line can be of any centimeter. Now, over here this will be A and over here this will be B. Now we will write first step, which is first one. Draw a line AB. Mark point C outside it. So we will mark point C outside this line, let's say over here. Now we will take a point D on line AB. So this will be point D on line AB. Now next is we have to join CD. So we will write next point, second one. Take a point D on line AB and join CD. Now next point, what we will do is, with D as a center and any radius, we will draw an arc. To cut line AB at point X and line segment CD at point Y. So this will be X and this will be Y. Now we will write next step. With center D and any radius, draw an arc to cut line AB at X and line segment CD at Y. Now next point, with C as a center and same radius, we will draw another arc to cut CD at point P. First of all, we will take this radius. Now C as a center and any radius. Now this will be point P. We will write next step. With C as center and same radius, Draw an arc to cut line segment CD at point P. Next step. With P as a center and radius XY, draw another arc to cut this previous arc at Q. So first of all, we will take this XY radius. Now with P as a center, we will draw another arc to cut this previous arc at point Q. This will be point Q. Now we will write next step. With P center as a center and radius XY, draw an arc to cut previous arc at Q. Next point will be join CQ. This will be line M and this will be line N. Join CQ to get line M. Then line M, parallel to line L. So this is question number 1 of exercise 10.1. Now we will start question number 2. Draw a line L. Draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. On this perpendicular, choose a point X 4 cm away from L. Through X, draw a line M parallel to L. So first of all, we will draw line L. Line can be of any centimeter. This is line L. Now we have to take point Y on it. So what we will do is, at the center, we will draw an arc with any radius. Then with this point as a center, we will draw angle of 60 degree. With this point as a center, we will draw arc of 120 degree. Now with 60 and 120, we will draw angle of 90 degree. Over here we will draw a line and name this point as Y. Now we will write first step, which is draw a line L, take a point Y on it. Next is construct a line perpendicular. This is the perpendicular line. So we will write another point. Construct a line perpendicular to line L at point Y. Now next point, on the perpendicular line, means on this line we have to mark X such that length of YX be 4 centimeter. So we will take measurement of 4 centimeter over here. Over here it is 4. This will be point X. Now we will write another point. On the perpendicular line, mark a point X such that length of YX is 4 centimeter. Now we will construct another line perpendicular to XY at point X and name it as M. So similarly, as we have done earlier, we will at point X, we will take any radius, then we will draw an arc. Then with this intersecting point, we will draw another arc of 60 degree. Then with 60 degree, we will draw angle of 120. With 60 and 120, we will draw angle of 90 degree. Now we will joint this. This will be line M. Over here we will write point B. The distance between this will be 4 centimeter. Now we will write next point, which is construct a line perpendicular to XY at point X and name it as line M. Next point will be then line M perpendicular to line L through point X. So this is question number 2. Now question number 3. Let L be line and P be a point not on L. Through P, Draw a line M parallel to line L. Now join P at any point Q on L. Choose any another point R on M. Through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. Let this meet L at S. What shape do the two sets of parallel lines enclose? So what we will do is, first we will draw a line L. This is line L. Now we will write first point, which is draw a line L and mark a point P outside it. Now we will take any center and we will draw an arc. This center will be Q. With the same radius, we will draw another arc at this intersecting point. Now this will be point P. Next point, take a point Q on line L and join PQ. Next point, construct a line M parallel to line L through the point P. It means through here we will draw this will be line M. So we will write next point. Construct a line M parallel to line L through point P. Now we will take point R on this line. Let's see. This is point R. Now with R as a center, we will draw an arc, and with this center we will draw another arc. Same we will do with point P. So this will be now over here we will draw another line. If needed, you can extend this line. This will be point S. So now we will write next step. Take a point R on line M through R. Construct a line RS perpendicular line PQ. Now quadrilateral RPQS is formed in which RP perpendicular to SQ and RS perpendicular to PQ. Thus, RPQS is a parallelogram. So this is question number 3.